Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dekan, aka Edi Coco, aka Queen of DIYs. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Internet hugs to every one of you. I love you guys so much. So in this video we're going to be learning how to make this skin firming scrub. This scrub will help to fade the appearance of cellulite on the skin, and it will also help with stretch marks, like the appearance of stretch marks, and also even saggy skin. So if that is your cup of tea and you would like to learn how to make this scrub, then definitely keep on watching. But before then, make sure that you're subscribed and your notification bell is turned on, and let's get to the workspace. So first we're going to need granulated brown sugar, and this is going to serve as our physical exfoliant in this scrub. And next would need coffee grounds, and my choice of coffee ground here is Turkish coffee because it is a very strong and rich coffee, so I decided to use that. You can use any one of choice. And now we're going to also need shea butter. We're going to need some butter of some sort that would help with the skin firming effect on the skin. So yeah, definitely include any natural butter of choice. And next we'll need e-wax for this formula, and don't forget that all the measurements will be in the description bar, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I think I used about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, I'm not sure, but the measurement will be in the description bar. So also honey, this is a very good humectant for the skin. And now my choice of oil is rosehip oil, which is very important in this formula. Please don't try to substitute another oil for this. And also argan oil. Now my oils have been carefully selected for this because of its properties, so definitely make sure to look out for these oils. So now I'm using my oil and butter from the brand called Dr. Mom Hand. I'm going to put their details in the description bar. So now in a bowl with a spatula, we're going to get to work. So first I'm going to transfer my butter into the container that has the e-wax, and this is for the melting process because we would need to melt this down to liquid form. And then next I'm going to be adding my rosehip oil, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. I'm not adding too much oil because of the butter, so there will not be too much oil in the scrub. And then I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of my argan oil. So next in a bowl I'm going to pour in my brown sugar, and next I'm going to add my granulated coffee as well, and then I'm going to add my honey in the mix. Now this is a simple scrub that actually really works for the skin, so yeah. Now I'm just going to mix that up, and please, if you haven't thumbs up this video, please, you might want to stop and thumbs up the video. It goes a long way in helping my channel grow and helping YouTube know that you like my content, so please do that for me. So now I'm going to pour in my melted oils and wax into the mix, and now I'm going to stir it up properly to make sure that everything mixes up very well. Don't forget to always work on a clean surface and space. Make sure that everything is sanitized. And now I'm adding our calendula extracts that we made on this channel. I'll link the video somewhere on the screen so you can check that out if you haven't watched it. Yeah, I'm just going to keep stirring that properly to make sure that all my ingredients get into each other. And now I went in with a mixer, with a hand mixer, and you can definitely do that. And after that I'll just go back with my spatula. And now it is not like your regular emulsified scrub. As you can see, there is no water content in this scrub. And yeah, we are doing it this way because of the function of this scrub. So now I'm going to be transferring my scrub into a storage container. You can add your preservative if you want to, but this almost finishes in like 2 to 3 uses, so yeah, I didn't bother to add preservative. But if you're making more, definitely make sure to add preservative because it's going to come in contact with water as long as you're using it in the shower. So yeah, or always take it out, the quantity you want to use out first, and then use the rest, and then it's gonna last more and you wouldn't need preservative. So yeah, that's it for our scrub. And yeah, please, if you like this video, thumbs it up. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. And yes, you can check out my other content on this channel. I have lots of amazing DIYs and also skincare content on this channel, so definitely check that out. And yeah, I would see you guys in my next video. And please drop a comment down below if you have a question or anything that you would like to share with us. Definitely drop a comment down below. And if you do use this scrub and you notice some changes, always come back and give us a good review down there. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys. And as usual, I wish you perfect, beautiful and luscious skin. Mwah!